Welcome back, everybody. Thank you for your patience. Hopefully you enjoyed the first session. We have wonderful speakers. I've heard from Ritodi that Robin's talk was fantastic. Emilio talk was fantastic as well, and you provide us a lot of tools. So I'm happy that we'll be doing something together with Emilio as well here in this land. Ian, how was Terry's talk?
Terry's talk was exceptional.
Fantastic. Well, like I said to everybody, at the end of this session, we're going to have a short break, and then we are going to meet all together and share ideas, share thoughts, and discuss. And, you know, if we don't agree with some of the things that we hear, it would be fair enough to put it in the table. Remember that the original thing is workshopping, and we are investigating how we can workshop online, right? So, okay, let's keep moving. So, Philip, are you there?
Yes. Yeah.
Yeah. Sorry, we solved the problem. I must admit it was my mistake and not Julia's mistake or Cameron's mistake. So, Philip, would you like to say a couple of words and then introduce your video, and then we'll start with the session 2.
Thank you again, Pablo, and no problem, of course, about the technical difficulties. I'll be in the same situation, I'm sure. So this is a very short video introduction just around Ely's sustainability efforts, and as I think I mentioned earlier, Ely is the largest dairy company in Asia, and so we're obviously keen to be leading in this sort of space. So I'll leave the video to speak for itself, but thanks again for the opportunity to contribute to this conference. Thank you.
Fantastic. Thanks so much, and we'll play the video right now.
The vast, productive, and majestic Inner Mongolia Plateau nourishes, invigorates, and provides vitality to every living thing through nature. Ely, the modern dairy enterprise in China, was born in this plateau.
Ely has integrated its dream with the UN's 17 Sustainable Development Goals and has upgraded it to World Integrally Sharing Health Corporate Sustainable Development System, the WISH system. Thanks to its advanced practices, Ely has become the first Chinese food company to join the UN Global Compact. Ely is committed to making this dream come true by collaborating with global forces and deepening its practices in 4 areas, thus going on to become an industry model for global sustainable development. Sustainable development. Ely Act with You.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much, Ely, for your fantastic sponsor, for our personal group and lab has a research project with Ely, and we are looking forward to see the next steps as well there. So thank you very much, Philip. Thank you very much, Ely and Oceania Dairy, for your support. So now we move forward to the second session, and we're also going to present a couple Bill Link, another sponsor from the workshop. So this workshop is going to consist mainly in 2 streams now. We are going to have a first stream who is going to be chaired by Ritodi Chakraborty, and the second stream is going to be chaired by Dr. Anita Fleming. I send and I accept the apologize of Fred Provenza with the internet, and Fred, he's quite stressed, and he couldn't even record the presentation that we were supposed to play today. But to all of those who want to listen to Fred, Fred is getting a new service of internet, and we are going to fit it in the next few 4 Mondays to come. So apologize, and Fred, I know you're in and out, so hopefully you hear this part. Don't worry, we'll fit you in. We are all looking forward to hear your presentation. So in stream 1, we're going to have the presentation of Professor Nicholas Taylor and Sarah Alexandrensen. Sorry, Sarah, if I butcher your last name with my Latin accent. I'm doing my best there. So Nick is going to be talking first about the shrinking resource base of pastoralism, Sami reindeer husbandry in a climate of change. So that stream is going to consist in 2 parts. Nick is going to provide a 15-minute presentation, and Nick, keep in mind that it's going to be pretty much an hour in each stream, so you can extend your presentation. And after that, Sarah is going to be interviewed by Nick and provide her thoughts about reindeer and that part of the reindeer herding in that part of the world. The stream 2, again, that is going to be chaired by Dr. Anita Fleming, is going to hold Dr. David Stevens, a colleague and a friend from Ag Research. We share students and ideas with him, so it's a pleasure to have you, David. He's going to be talking about, try to answer the question, pose the question, can digital technologies transform futures of grandparents' use? In the same stream, we are going to have Dr. Shannon David, vital member of our Center of Excellence, and hopefully Shannon provide a little bit of context what she's doing at the center as well, Lincoln University. She's going to be talking about urban foodscapes and green space design, integrating grazing landscapes within multi-use urban parks. So to open the session 2, Julia, would you like to talk about BeLink now?
Yes, it'd be brilliant. Thank you so much, Pablo. My name's Julia Henson. I'm a communications and events manager here at BeLink Innovation, He Puna Karikari, part of Lincoln University. So we are all about innovating, collaborating, connecting and bringing people together in order to transform the future of New Zealand primary industries. We were originally a product of the Crown Research Institutes in New Zealand, and recently have become part of the Lincoln University as part of a business unit. So what we do through our events and through our co-working space and through our event consultancy is bring people together, make sure that people understand that some other people might be working on similar projects or in similar research fields, and get them to combine knowledge, collaborate, connect together, and together we can all innovate. Thank you. So as part of that, we are working with Lincoln University on Future Farms project, which is the Lincoln University Energy Demonstration Farm, which is around driving primary industry sustainability by building the farm of the future. So this brings a whole raft of different technologies together on field in Lincoln, New Zealand, to demonstrate the efficiency, effectiveness, and results of different energy technologies that we have here in New Zealand. So it's a demonstration farm that's in the works at the moment that we are quite proudly project managing. So keep posted on that, I'm sure. If you're interested in learning more about that, please do feel free to reach out to me as well. And as part of what we do as well, we work with a raft of government agencies to try and accelerate innovation in New Zealand. Recently, we've been part of a big food, fibre and agri-tech supernode with a raft of other major stakeholders in New Zealand, Christchurch NZ, Ag Research, the University of Canterbury, to bring entrepreneurs, or agripreneurs, as I like to call it, together to accelerate their ideas in order for sustainable agriculture in New Zealand. So that's something we've been incredibly proud of, and recently have completed a challenge with the University of Canterbury with over $130,000 prize money, which we're incredibly proud of. And as part of B-Link as well, we're a co-working space. I know that this is an international conference, but hopefully when the borders open, we'd love to see all of you around New Zealand and especially around Lincoln. It's an incredibly special part of New Zealand. And if you do find yourself in this part of the world, we'd love to host you here in our co-working space. You can get to know what is happening around the Lincoln precinct and get to know what other research is happening as well. So if you do find yourself in this beautiful part of the world, please do reach out. Thank you so much, Pablo. We're really excited to be working alongside the Multi-Scapes conference. You've probably received a few emails from me over the week, so I'm sure you all have my email address. And if you want to know more or be involved with what we do here at B-Link, please do reach out.
Thank you very much, Julia. It's fantastic, and it's fantastic not only to have the support of Blink, but also the help of Blink in the organization of this event. Without you, would have been impossible.